Alright guys, in today's video we're going to look at how to use auto-tune if you're a beginner, and by the end of today's video you can actually auto-tune any vocals with the simple tricks that I'm about to show you. If you are ready, let's do this right after the intro. The name is Gosa once again, and still the solution career, providing solutions to your problems. Hit that subscribe button if you are new to this channel, turn on the notification bell, like the video, leave a comment and subscribe. Alright guys, we are in FL Studio now and we're gonna use this simple project. Alright, I recorded this. So guys, I have this on the vocals. The first one is the fruity limiter, then followed by the auto-tune, then parametric EQ. This is my EQ. Alright, I cut off some of the low ends. Then next thing was the reverb. I'm using the 4 stock plugins. If you don't know how to mix, I have a full video taking you through that. Next was the fruity delay 2. Alright, it's super simple. Then followed by the fruity chorus. This was the settings. Then the fruity flangers. Let me close this. Yeah, this is the fruity flangers. Alright, if you want to know much about this, subscribe to the channel because I'll come back and take you through step by step. Then from there I compress the vocals. I'm using stock plugins only. Then next was the sound good deezer, also from FL Studio. Alright, then the last one was the fruity band multi compressor. Fruity multi-band compressor. This was the effect on the vocals. So I want to play the vocals to you together with the effect, with the exception of the auto-tune. And right after that, I'm going to show you how to auto-tune your vocals. So let's listen to this.
Yo, baby, you can't just leave me and go like that. You know how I feel for you.
Versetti, this is so sad.
I gave you all my heart, girl, see what you done to me. You promised, say you always go there for me. Now I'm falling deeper for you, now you wanna go far away. Girl, you know that if you go die.
Alright guys, so this was the effect on the vocals. Now let's add the beat to it. Let me control the delay a little bit and the reverb a little bit.
I gave you all my heart, girl, see what you done to me. You promised, say you always go there for me. Now I'm falling deeper for you, now you wanna go far away. Girl, you know that if you go die, you know that if you go die, you know.
So guys, it's time for you to introduce the auto-tune, and I'm going to use auto-tune artist. Now pay attention to this. Whenever you are using auto-tune, you need to pay attention to certain knobs on the auto-tunes. The rest depends on you. And the very first thing you need to know when you are using auto-tune is to know your key. Alright, so you can actually detect your key using virtual DJ. I have a full video there, and you can also detect the key using auto key 2 from Antares. I have a full video taking you through all this. So what you need to do is to go back to my channel and watch how to detect unknown key of a beat or vocals. Think of anything you want to detect the key. Now that you know the key, it's time to pay attention to the next knob on the auto-tune, which is the routine speed over here. The more you crank this all the way up, the more T-pain effect you're gonna get, or the more auto-tune, the more you're gonna pitch your vocal. Super simple. So if the artist is not all that good, make sure you know the amount of routine speed to give. So I'm gonna push this thing all the way up, and now let's listen to this on our vocals.
I gave you all my heart, girl, see what you done to me. You promised, say you always go there for me.
Let me mute the beat. Listen to the auto-tune artist on our vocals.
I gave you all my heart, girl, see what you done to me. You promised say you always go be there for me.
So now you can hear we have auto-tuned our vocals too much. Let's bypass this auto-tune. Once again, listen to that without any auto-tune.
I gave you all my heart, girl, see what you done to me. You promised say you always go be there for me.
And now with the auto-tune artist, listen.
I gave you all my heart, girl, see what you done to me. You promised say you always go be there for me.
Alright, so make sure you know the amount of routine speed to give to the artist depending on the artist's performance. Now the next knob you need to pay attention to is the Humanize. When we push the routine speed all the way up, we mostly sound robotic. We hear that robot effect on our vocals. And for you to add realism to our vocals, what you need to do is to add Humanize a little bit. Alright, so listen to this once again.
I gave you all my heart, girl, see what you done to me. You promised say you always go be there for me. Now I'm falling deeper for you, now you wanna go far away.
Alright, so now you can actually hear that the vocals is no more shaking as compared to the previous one without any Humanize. Now listen.
I gave you all my heart, girl, see what you done to me. You promised say you always go be there for me. Now I'm falling deeper for you, now you wanna go far away. Girl, you know that.
Alright, so right after the Humanize knob, next thing that you need to pay attention to is the flex tune. Increase flex tune to allow more pitch deviation, usually for expressive purposes. So when you crank all this all the way up, the less auto tune you're gonna experience. Though you have put the routine speed up like this, listen.
I gave you all my heart, girl, see what you done to me.
And when you watch here, you can see the graphics of the auto tune is no more showing because you have put the flex tune all the way up. So you need to adjust the flex tune a little bit.
I gave you all my heart, girl, see what you done to me. You promised say you always go there for me. Now I'm falling deeper for you, now you wanna go far away. Girl, you know that if you go die.
That's super simple. And guys, when it comes to the natural vibrator, you can decide to minimize or accentuate vibrator present in your input audio. If you want to add this, all you need to do is to give it the amount that you want on your vocals.
I gave you all my heart, girl, see what you done to me. You promised say you always go there for me. Now I'm falling deeper for you, now you wanna go far away. Girl, you know that if you go there.
That's super simple. For the sake of this video, I'm not going to give it vibrator. The next thing you need to pay attention to is the input type. If it's a female, you can go for soprano. If it's a male, go for alto tenor or low male. Alright, so play around the input type, the one that sounds great in your ears, then choose it. You can also use the auto-tune to create unique vocals. All you need to do is to play with the detune knob here or the transpose knob here. Let's exaggerate things by starting with the transpose knob.
I gave you all my heart, girl, see what you done to me. I promised you always go be there for me. Now I'm falling deeper for you, now you wanna go far away. Girl, you know that if you go with that, I gave you all my heart, girl, see what you done to me. You promised say you always go be there for me. Now I'm
Alright, so play around this transpose knob if you want to create unique vocals. You can also play with the detune knob here.
I gave you all my heart, girl, see what you done to me. You promised say you.
Alright guys, so this simple. If you want to know how to use auto-tune, I think this video gonna help you pay attention to the thing that I've showed you in today's video. Now that you know how to use auto-tune, watch the next video to know how to EQ your vocals. If you're a beginner, give this video a like. Until then, see you in the next video. Stay blessed.